play. Leera, Lemur, and Landon, lion and friends are leading the way. Let's talk about movements, oh so neat. Objects move and change directions like dancing on our feet. Moving straight line, moving fast like a rocket, zooming past. Zigzag around like a silly snake, back and forth on swings we take a break. Round and round on a merry-go-round with Leera and Landon and friends. Fun can be found. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Push and pull, that's a game we play. When we wanna change the motion of an object every day, a great big push and off they go. Like a ball flying past fast, putting on a show. Let's feel the movement, can you clap your hands? Spin like the wind, watch the marching bands. With our friends we learn and we see how moving makes us happy and free. Moving straight, moving slow like a sloth that can barely go. Zigzagging like a butterfly or happy bee. Back and forth we go on the swings with glee. Round and round, can you spin in place with Leera and Landon? Let's quicken the pace. Oh, oh, oh yeah, yeah. Leera, Lemur is swinging high. She is reaching for the sky. With a big old push, straight down the slide she goes. Oh, how fun, as everyone knows. Now watch Landon with a joyful roar. He pulls the string of a kite that can soar. Objects can slide and sway and roll, fast and slow, just like we bowl. Objects can bounce, leap and glide with Leera and Landon. Join the ride. Moving straight line, moving fast like a train, zooming past. Zigzagging like a mountain road, back and forth in a wagon we are towed. With Leera and Landon our knowledge will explode. Let's have some fun with our friends so dear. Watch them all move, let's all cheer. Pushes and pulls, they're called a force. Changing direction, altering the course. With a little nudge, no need for alarm. Leera, Landon say being careful will keep you out of harm. So come on friends, let's move and groove with Leera, Lemur, and Landon.